Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to groom the lawn. So I've got Ben's groomer here. So this here is a grooming blade. Yeah. And what it's going to do is just bring up some of this dead material that's been here from over the summer when it's dried out a bit. Just excess thatch. See that sort of stuff there. I'll show you in a second, but yeah. Last time this was used was on the green, so I don't know what height it's at. Oh, it's an old spider web. Ugh. Ah. I reckon that's just touching, so I'm going to test it at the height it's at already. If I need to dig it in a bit more, I will, or if I need to lift it up, I will, but I'll give it a test run. I'll show you what I want to pull out. See those dead that dead leaf? It's not a lot, but there's a little bit. Maybe over here more. So here we go, that's a good example. I want to get rid of all this dead material. There we go. If you look in there, right under the leaf, it's that old dead stuff. So I'll give it a double pass. I'll try to get this front yard done. There's a storm due in about an hour and a half, so I'll see how far I get. I might get to the backyard today, I might not, but we'll at least start with the front yard, see how it goes, show you the process. It's a light groom, not a scarify. So just getting that above ground thatch, that dead material. I don't know what happened, but I just went to start the mower and there's a bit of fuel there. So it's come off the mower somewhere, but not ideal. Dang it. I don't know what's going on here, but it's leaking. We'll have a look. Filter's pretty clean. Bit of dirt on that. I don't know if I'll beat this rain. It won't pull start, so it's getting jammed. So I'm no mechanic, but it's not good. Oh no! So there's fuel getting into the oil. Ah, damn it. That would have been about 10 bucks worth of fuel just there. Yeah, you getting stuck on, mate? Looks right. Righto, that should be all the fuel. Fuel's off. Need to put more oil in. Ah, yeah, dog. Let's give this a go. On, chokes on, fuel on. Fixed it. Is that leaking still? We better check that. Or is that just from before? Yeah, it's from before. Bit of leakage. I'll have to give this thing a wash before I use it on the lawn. But there was fuel in the oil. So I changed that, cleaned it out. There was something stuck on, so I just loosened it off. You could feel this wouldn't pull. So reading it again, it could have been the float in the carby was stuck. So when I took that bowl off, that float was in there in the bottom of that carby. I think. I don't know, it's working anyway. pulling out a lot. It might be a bit too deep. Looks good, that. It's pulled out a fair bit of stuff. I don't know, let's give that a go. Might be a little bit too much. That's a full catcher. And I had to lift it back as well, otherwise it would dig in too deep. I do like that though. So if you look here where it really dug up, got rid of all that dead stuff. It's opened it up a bit. So I need to adjust it. I'll adjust it now. Hopefully I don't think I can beat that storm. Well, I've got about half of that done. I was going to double pass, got one single done on half of that side before this rain came in. So I might have to finish this next week. Unfortunately, it's because it's going to rain tomorrow as well. Tomorrow's Friday. How annoying. Come on. We're back here again about 4 or 5 days later. The part where I spilled the fuel, well, it fell out, it's died out. Dang it. And time to groom the rest of the lawn. So getting a fair bit out of it. That's from 2 passes. So probably gone a little bit too deep here. So on the second pass, I'll raise it up a bit. I'm not worried though, it'll have time to recover before winter. But you can see here, it's just exposed a lot of soil. But it has ripped out all of the dead stuff. So I'm happy with that. Probably a little bit too much out, but it will recover. I'll put some proliferate out at 3 kilos per 100. See, some parts are perfect. Maybe where it's a bit wet, it's pulled a bit more out, and where the leaf was a bit thicker. So all groomed now. I'll get the rotary out and clean it up. See how she comes up. Well, I didn't get much off, so I'll probably use the cylinder mower now, give it a tidy up, raise it to 15 mil. Hopefully it looks a bit better. So I just gave the lawn a second cut on that lower setting. I dropped it a little bit, only to get rid of those runners that were sticking up. So it's looking quite white because those runners are exposed, but that'll grow through. So if you wanted to get rid of those runners, those white looking runners, you just do a height reset. Nearly go down the soil. I wouldn't do it this time of year because we're about to hit probably a frost in 6 weeks. So I'm going to put some proliferate out now at the high rate and see if we can get this thing to recover. Yeah, pretty happy with that. Probably groomed a little bit more than I thought I would have, so it was more of a heavy groom. Not a scarify, just didn't bring any soil up. But I really thinned that leaf out, which it did need. So setting up for a good winter. In the springtime, I'll scalp this back to soil, top dress, core properly this time. Let's go look at the backyard. I obviously didn't get time to do that. So backyard's actually looking not too bad. Even with these lads in there. But it definitely needs a groom as well. It's quite thick actually in some spots out the back here. I've got a lot to take off out here. You can see here where it dried out a few times. There's a bit of dead material in there, so I want to get rid of that. And very thick where the dogs go do a piss. Look. So if you made it this far through the video, we've got a little promo code for the first 20 people, FERTPAW20. So it's off Ben's video about 2 weeks ago. Not many people claimed it, they didn't see it. So look just here, it's in this video here, FERTPAW20. So first 20 people, go get it quick. We've got some Proliferate Mini here, just gonna fert this lawn to help with recovery. So we recommend using Proliferate in autumn. So it's got the higher K in it, high potassium. It's just gonna help with strengthen that leaf coming into the winter. All done, so I'll give this a water now for about an hour to an hour and a half. So you want about 10 mil of irrigation on the lawn just to break down that prill and to activate and start to work. If you just leave it on the lawn for too long, it will burn your lawn, so you've got to be careful. Done. Oh, nearly forgot. Let's look at this ryegrass.